So I bought this trunk mat for 2013 528 BMW, and this BMW is called F10 in USA, and the store is CYSSM. Here are just the details. 2.5 kilogram total weight. Let's unbox it and see how is it. On top of $100 I had to pay duty, $28.92, in which $9.95 is the handling fees and the other is duty and PST and GST. So here you can see the details. So this is the trunk of 2013 528, or it's called F10 in United States. This is the profile of it, and I got this wrapped in tape. So let's check this out. The package weigh around 2.42 kilograms. So I removed the packaging and you can see. Let's open that one too. So you can see the material. Good quality, I like it. And it matches the profile. So for example, it's turning here, so it does match the profile here. It keep rolling back, so I'll be putting some weights and we'll see how it turn out later. So this is after 3 days. You can see it is flattened out really good, and look at all the profile and curves. Really nice product, totally worth it. And I like it that it is a little bit raised, so if water spill, it still contains in it. So really like this product. Thank you.